Hello, educators who drone. I am Heather Monthi, and I wanted to share with you a new website that I put together for our growing community. It's at educatorswhodrone.com. Some of you found this group or found this YouTube channel through my personal website at heathermonthi.com. I'm working to separate everything out. I've got a lot of different things going on my personal website, so I'm trying to separate things out. So we now own and have educatorswhodrone.com. And so I've created this website here for you. If you are watching this in the Facebook group, you don't need this, but if you are watching this on YouTube, I've got a link here to join our Facebook community. It's free to join. We've got pilots, we've got parents, we've got teachers, we've got STEM education advocates there. And the idea there is it's a community where we can share ideas and collaborate, things like that. So you can go ahead and join that community right there. I'll just show you, it comes right up, brings you right to the Facebook group. You can join it there. And then also what I do ask is everybody, if you're in the group, if you're not in the group, come to the website and sign up for the email newsletter. I don't have any freebies or anything just yet for you to download, but I will have those here soon for you. But the idea is that let's get your email on the email list. I'm not going to spam you and send you emails 8 times a day, that kind of thing. But if something happens to Facebook, if something happens to our Facebook group, I want us to be able to stay connected and stay in touch. So go ahead and sign up for the email newsletter there. Then on the left-hand side here, I've got a couple other things. I've got the YouTube channel. It's just Educators Who Drone on YouTube. There's a ton of different videos. I've got some things that are not quite related to drones and STEM education, but I've got some other things related to STEM education, especially around cybersecurity. Got a few things there for you. But go ahead and click subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel as well. And then we've got the Facebook community. We already talked about that. Then I've also taken some of the courses that I had. Again, same thing. I had some stuff on my personal page. I'm splitting everything out. So all of our courses now are over here. So right now we've got 6 different offerings here. We've got a FAA Remote Pilot Study Exam Guide. The FAA publishes everything for free. This is really just me pointing you in the right direction of what to study for the FAA Part 107 exam. I'll be working on creating some resources though for those of you who either want to take the exam and pass the exam, but also want to teach your students how to pass the exam. So I'll be making some resources like that. Then I've got a course here on understanding airspace and VFR sectionals for remote pilots. This is intended to be for people who are studying for the Part 107 exam and are really struggling with understanding airspace and charts and how that works, but also for those of you that maybe have already passed the Part 107 exam, but you're still not feeling comfortable or confident with understanding airspace and VFR sectionals, that is for you. Then I've got my workshop that I have on Build, Code, Fly, Certify. It's creating your own drones and STEM education program. And then we've done a couple of webinars with this group. So I've got the recordings here. I'm offering them up for free. They're here. We just, I just post in the group when I'm doing a webinar, and the recordings are available for you there. Then here, I've got a couple downloadables that you can use. The first is the Drone Management Binder. This is really intended to be for teachers or people who are running an after-school program through Scouts program, that kind of thing, that you have a fleet of drones and you need to manage them. And it's also really good to help your students or help your kids or whoever you're working with, help them learn how to maintain a drone fleet. So understanding, maintaining or documenting maintenance, documenting the number of hours out of prop, things like that help you do preventative maintenance on drones. So rather than paying a lot of money for expensive software, which drone companies have, this is just a nice Google Sheet Excel template download that you can use you can just print it up, you make a binder. I've got videos that show you how to put together the binder, that kind of thing. And then the last one here is a drone pilot logbook for kids. You can buy little paper logbooks for $8 or $9, but when you're running these constantly, if you're running intro sessions or if you're running a bunch of stuff, that can add up. That cost can add up. So I've got this template here. Again, you just download it, print it up. Kids love it. They take it home. They're so super excited. Blah blah blah. So I will be adding more stuff here over time, but this is what we have right now. And if you have any requests, please do let me know. You can send me an email at heather@heathermonthi.com. Send me an email. Let me know what it is that you need or what it is that you want, and I can certainly start working on putting some things together for that. Then I've also got some free goodies here. So it's same thing. It's back to our Teachable site. but it just filters out by all of the free different things that we have there for you. So wanted to share this with you. I'm very excited about it. I'm excited to help this community grow and help you guys collaborate and really bring drones into STEM education and make it fun, exciting, and affordable for all students. So thank you guys, and I'll see you soon.